Hello. It is a fairly unsettled spell of weather in store in the run-up to Christmas. The next few days are looking relatively mild and cloudy. Today we've had some snow across parts of Scotland. That's going to turn back to rain gradually. It's looking fairly damp in the west, brightest towards the east. But here's this band of cloud you can see on the satellite image. That's been producing the rain and the hill snow that we've seen across Scotland over the past few hours. Increasingly, that is turning to sleet and then back to rain in the northeast as we head through into the afternoon. So some really heavy rain for the west of Scotland. Could be some flooding. Meanwhile, further west, we're looking at quite a lot of clouds, some outbreaks of rain, brightest in the east, but temperatures 12 or 13 for most of us, but only about 3 to 6 across the northeast of Scotland. Into this evening and tonight, that frontal system slips further south across England and Wales. There's some patchy rain, breezy conditions continue. Squally showers roll in across the northwest of the UK, but it's turning really mild. In fact, temperatures on the rise overnight. 13 degrees for most of us to kick off your Christmas Eve. So yes, it is looking mild. The orange colours with us, that mild air mass, but we've got a lot of isobars. Low pressure sits to the north of the UK for Christmas Eve. So it's going to be a windy spell of weather. Gusts could reach 50 to 70 miles an hour, especially towards the Western Isles and the northwest of Scotland. Also towards the east of the Pennines, some gusty winds, but blustery wherever you are. Some outbreaks of rain for many areas. Brighter skies towards the north, but plenty of heavy showers. Temperatures for most of us 13 to 15 could be one of the mildest Christmas Eves on record. Now, as we move through into the big day itself, Christmas Day, first area of low pressure exits towards the east, but we've still got another developing area of low pressure towards the Atlantic. So it's going to bring some rain through central and southern parts of England and Wales. Heavy showers further north, perhaps a bit of snow, perhaps a white Christmas just on top of the Cairngorms, for instance. But for most of us, reasonably mild, particularly in the south, 13 or 14 degrees. We're looking at colder air holding on across the north of Scotland. That's where we could see a little bit of snow through the day. Now into Boxing Day, low pressure clears away at least for a time. So a ridge of higher pressure in charge into Boxing Day. So it is looking like a drier, brighter day for most of us. Still the odd wintry shower, I think, across the far north of Scotland, but the winds will be easing and the sun should make a reappearance for most of us. Bit of rain into the far southwest later on. It is looking drier, but also a little bit colder than Christmas Day. Bye-bye.